In class 10th, chapter Digital Documentation Part 4, we are going to cover the following topics in this video. First, styles in MS Word. Second, creating and applying styles in the document. So let's start with the video tutorial. Hello class 10th students. So we are here with the another video tutorial for you for the chapter Digital Documentation. So in this video, as you all know, that we are going to cover about the styles in Microsoft Word option. Now how to create and apply the styles, then how many built-in styles are there, then how to format the styles, creating and updating. So everything we will cover in this video. So let's start with the video. Now first I am going to open the Microsoft Word program. Now let me open a file for you so that we can start with our tutorial. Now here it is the file. I am increasing the size so that you can have a better look. Okay. Now when we talk about style means that it is a predefined formatting feature. Predefined formatting feature means, like, suppose I just want to make this particular piece of text quite larger in size, then making it bold, giving it a text color, okay, then giving it a highlight color also, and underlining it. Okay, so what is there? We are formatting a particular piece of text. Now in style, what we have, I am just undoing it so that I can tell you. In style, what we have already built in some formatting options that we can directly apply without making a specific changes by clicking every time on bold, then making the font style, changing font size, making it colors. So you don't need to do individually. What you need? Select your particular document, then on the home tab there is an option called styles. Okay, so there are so many built-in style. Now see, whenever I am changing, this is the normal one which we have, no spacing, it is written here. So there is no space between the lines. You see the normal one, there are space here in between, but when we select a style with name no spacing, then there are no space between the lines. Then next one is heading. So when you select heading means your particular text will be emphasized. Then heading 2, title. Okay, so there are so many styles, built-in style option which you can use. Paragraph, making it book title, then color, everything it is changing as it your see here. Okay, and suppose I have chosen this one, title. So what it will change my text, okay, to appear in a emphasized way. Now see, Cambria, heading and font size 26. If I am selecting my normal, then it is Calibri, body and font size 11. So this is how the styles can be used. You can use any of the style you want, so it gives you a same look whatever styles you are selecting. Okay, now how to do formatting of these styles? Suppose I am selecting, let me select a good one. I think this is okay. Now how to do the formatting of a particular selected style? Suppose we have selected this style and we want to make some minor changes, suppose font color or font size or font style, whatever. Now see, In the style group only you have an option that is change style. Change style means that you can make changes in the style you have selected. So click here. Now colors. I have selected this one. Style set, elegant, fancy, formal. So you can choose the style from here. Then color. The color will not work because text background. Selecting this one. Text background, light, dark, light 2, then accent and save. Okay, then font you can choose from here whatever font you want and see. This is how you can make changes in the style option. Fine. Now the thing comes that if there are some style, can we create our own style? Now see, whatever changes we have made, text, see everything now have a particular text, the color part we have selected. If we clear formatting, then our text will appear in a normal way. Is that clear? Fine. Now yeah, I am talking about that when there are some built-in styles, so the question can come in our mind that can we create our own style, and the answer is yes. Now how to create our own style? For that what you need to do, you need to go to the style group and click on this pop-up button. That will give you a feature here. Okay, and in the last there are three options. One is manage style, style inspector and new style. So click on this new style option. It will give you a create new style from formatting. Then style, name of the style, suppose I am giving it mine. Style type, paragraph, character, link, table, list, where you want to actually apply this style. So I am choosing a paragraph, I want to apply it on paragraphs. Style based on normal है, then space, no spacing, head, title, they will take normal only. Style for following paragraph, and formatting, this is called, then now see here, whatever changes I am making, whatever thing I am doing, it is recording here. Font, then font size, then style, quick style based on normal. Okay, then suppose I want to make it bold also. Then color, suppose I want to choose the color also. Alignment in the center. Then these are line spacing, paragraph spacing, indentation. L to quick style list, yes. New document based on this type or only in this document. This means that where you actually want to apply this style, only in this document or new documents based on this template. I want new document based on this template. Format we have done, and then what we can do, we can click on OK. Now see, is it clear to you how you can create your own style? I've chosen these things, alignment, font style, everything that has been done, and you might surprise then when I new blank document. Now see, I'm creating a blank document new, and suppose I'm opening sorry, let me open some other, yeah, this is the style we are working. We have to work here. Suppose I'm typing something, anything I'm typing, just for giving you an example. Select this particular piece of text you have typed and go to the style group. Now see the first one, your style is appearing here. So this is how you can create your own style with whatever formatting you want, and then you can apply it later on every document you are creating. A new document you are creating, you can use the same style. I think this is clear to you all how you can create your own style. Again, I am giving you an example. Just opening the Word document again, then it is my file. Okay, this is the normal one. Now what you have to do, select all, then in the styles group click on this pop-up button, then select the first option in the last, that is new style. Give it a name, then style type, paragraph or character. Suppose I am choosing this one as character. Now default style based on default paragraph font, then I am choosing the font style, font size, making it bold and underline, color, then new document also, and OK. See, now this particular style has been created with the name Harsh. Okay, so I can use it. Suppose I am changing it no spacing, but I want to back it to make it look like the style I have created, so I can choose this one. Fine. So I hope this thing is clear to you all. What do you mean by styles? That are the pre-designed formatting options which you have in Microsoft Word. Then how you can change the style. Suppose we want to change some sort of font, I want to change in this particular. Okay, so this is how from here you can change the styles. Style set, whatever, set as default. If you want to make a particular style as default, means every time you open, by default you will whatever you are typing, you will get the same style which you have chosen. Suppose this one, I am making this style, this heading, and set as default. Okay, so this is how, and every time I need to create a new document, the same style will apply by default, because I have changed it to, I have changed the default style pattern. Clear? Now one thing is there, that is, suppose I have typed something here, so it will come in the same way. Now I will tell you again. Suppose I am typing, let me just give an example, normal. Okay, now on particular these two lines, what I am doing, I am doing some formatting, sort of formatting. I am changing its font face, then font size, changing the font color, okay, making it bold, and then giving it strike through. Now what I have done, I have make a formatting changes in certain piece of text. Now suppose you want to apply the same formatting on rest of the document. So how you can do that? For that you have a option in the home tab that is called Format Painter. So select this Format Painter option. Now your format has been copied. Now suppose you want to apply the format here on this particular text. So what you need, select the Format Painter and then click here, select it and then select. See, whatever selection you are doing with the Format Painter option, the same sort of formatting will be there. For example, again I am changing this, changing the font size, making it bold, font color, then the part. Now I am using Format Painter, so I have clicked. Again I am using Format Painter and then here, see, the same style, same thing will be applied to rest of the options. Is that clear? Now we have how to upload the templates, how to upload a style. The option is how to upload a particular style. So I have told you already that click on this pop-up menu, pop-up button. Now when you select clear all, it will clear all the things. Okay, click on this new style button, give it a style name, then where you want to apply, and then new document based on this template, and then click on OK. So whenever you will do this, the style option will get updated or loaded into the templates. These are the templates already. Now see what is there in option, style recommend. This is nothing to do with you, so you can have this much. Fine. So this is the thing that you need to know, that how to create a style and how you can use it. So as of now I am ending up with this video. So class 10th, meanwhile you can do practice at your home for the style option you have just learned. Okay, stay at home, stay safe and enjoy your e-learning. Thank you.